demonstration of the Auto Tab Grouper created by Clear Business Outcome. So once the Auto Tab Grouper is installed, it will show up in your extensions, which you can pin to the main bar. Once you open it, you get the various settings that are possible. Down the bottom there is also an open in full screen mode, if that is easier to manage. What it allows you to do is take the normal functionality of tab groups within Edge, but allow you to do this in an automated fashion. So what you can do is you can set in your URL prefix, choose your group color. If you use Epicor Kinetic or any other system that uses query parameters, we can use those query parameters to our advantage. Choose some tags. Tags are just used for internal sorting for yourself to manage. And you can give it a group title and click add. We have some abilities to sort by our existing prefixes and to filter them. And then we have this option to auto tab group even if there is only one tab. And we then get our list of stored prefixes. We can export and import them as well, clear all, or we can toggle dark mode. So as a short demonstration, if I open up a new tab and I go to Google, we can see it automatically groups as Google there. If I do a new tab as well and go to Clear Business Outcomes website, we can see it also groups automatically for you. If I was to do a new tab and open back Google again, it is automatically grouping it into the Google tab group. In terms of a system such as Epicor Kinetic, we can make use of the query parameters to allow this to work across multiple companies and multiple sites as well. So as we can see down here, I have set up a few different URLs, prefixes. I have a 24.2 one with no query parameters. I have a 25.1 Evanston, USA with the query parameters of company equals Epico3 ampersand site equals EVN. Same for Chicago, USA, but with the site of MFG Sys, and education, which is company 06. So if I go to 24.2, first of all, we can see that goes and loads it into 2024.2 tab group. If I open up again and I go to my 25.1, you can see that has grouped into Chicago, USA. Now if I go and change my site to Evanston, we can see it then changes to Evanston. If I change to Epicor Education, straight away changes to Epicor Education. So this allows us to see at a glance what company, what environment, what website we are currently in. If I open up another tab and go to 25.1 again, it will automatically group into my 25.1 education. But if I then change my company in this tab back to Epicor USA, we can see that goes back out to Evanston. So if you've got multiple tabs, it just helps you keep them nicely organized. It is completely window agnostic as well, so if I jump out to another window and just refresh, we've got it separated in the different windows. Hope that helps. Thank you very much.